What is this place, Tony? It's very soft on my paws.
I am going to draw a smiley face for everybody who gives this video a thumbs up.
My God, Tony, you've probably scared the viewers away with that horrible face. I'll distract them. Nothing to see here. Here, look at my tail. Oh no, not that face again. What the f was that?
Who do you think created these tracks, Misty?
Probably whoever just screeched in my ear. Yeah, you better hide. Whoever's on the bleep machine is very slow. I didn't swear. Yeah, just don't push it. Hey, this isn't the seaside. What do you think you're playing at, Tony?
We're not at a beach. We are on a sandbank.
Oh.
Come here.
Keep your hair on, Tony.
Misty.
That's my name. Don't wear it out. Hey, Swan. Have you seen that annoying seagull? I only asked. Keep your feathers on. Oh no, it's that face again. Oh yeah, Tony, I forgot to tell you. Her indoors is here to supervise you today. Perhaps you can explain why you let me swear today.